Hello all. Welcome to the Textize YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to change your PC drive icons. This is the best and safe way. Without hesitation, let's jump into the process. First, open Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R keys using your keyboard. Then type regedit and press Enter. User account control dialog box appears and press Yes. Hence, opens Registry editor window. Now navigate to Computer, H-key classes root, Applications, Explorer.exe. If you don't have this Explorer.exe, then create it. Right-click on the Explorer.exe and create a new key with the name drives. Name should be exact. Right-click on the drives key and create a new key with the drive letter. For example, D, name should be exact. Right-click on the D and create a new key with name default icon. Now on the right side pane new string with the name, default, appears. Right-click on the default string and click on Modify. Copy and paste the drive icon path into the value text box. I personally prefer the drive icons in the safe place, so I have created a folder in C, Windows, System32, drive_icons, and pasted my drive icon in that folder. Here, I showed you how I copy and pasted the path into the value text box. Click on OK and wait for 2 seconds. This depends upon the system speed and performance. Hence, the drive icon appears when you open Windows Explorer. This is how you can change your drive icons. Hope this is helpful to you. These steps have been documented with images and the link is provided in the description below. You can download it for your future reference. Thanks, and for more updates, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Press bell icon for more notifications. See you in the next video. Until then, take care guys. Bye-bye.